In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Advertising Workspace in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the workspace, start the setup, choose the right Google Ads accounts, configure the key options, and confidently submit everything for activation. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Sign in and make sure you're in the correct account and GA4 property using the picker at the top of the screen. If you manage multiple properties, take a moment to confirm you're working in the one that tracks the site or app you intend to advertise. You'll need at least editor access in GA4 to proceed smoothly. On the left-hand navigation, click Advertising. This workspace is where GA4 brings your marketing and attribution insights together. You'll eventually see reports like the snapshot, conversion paths, and model comparisons. If this is your first time here, you'll be guided to get set up so your ads data can integrate with your analytics. Click Get Started. This opens the guided setup. Think of this as the link between your GA4 property and your Google Ads presence. Connecting them allows you to share audiences, improve attribution, and measure the full impact of your campaigns without jumping between different tools as much. Now choose your Google Ads accounts. You'll see a list of eligible accounts that your login can access. Select the ones you actively use for this property. Double check the account names and IDs so you link the correct ones, especially if your organization runs multiple ad accounts. If you don't see an account you expect, it's usually a permissions issue in either Google Ads or GA4. Verify you have the right roles before continuing. Next, configure the settings. Here you'll tailor how data flows between GA4 and Google Ads. Typical options include enabling personalized advertising so audiences and remarketing lists can be used in campaigns, and choosing what kinds of data are shared for measurement. Only enable features that align with your organization's privacy policies and consent practices. If your consent framework varies by region, make sure your selections reflect that reality. A good tip is to keep settings consistent with how you've documented data use in your privacy notices. Finally, review and submit. You'll see a summary of the accounts you're linking and the settings you chose. Confirm everything looks correct, then submit to activate the connection. Changes aren't instant. Data and audiences may take some time to populate, and reporting can lag slightly. Once live, return to the Advertising Workspace to explore attribution reports and validate that traffic conversions and audiences are flowing as expected. If you need to adjust anything, you can revisit this setup and update your selections at any time.